In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage risks, actions, and decisions in Smartsheet. Start by opening Smartsheet and heading to your home page. From here, select Create to begin a brand new solution. If you don't immediately see what you need, choose More Options to expand the choices, then open View All Templates. In the gallery search bar, type Meeting, and you'll see a curated set of options designed for agendas and follow-ups. Select the Meeting Management template. On the preview screen, take a moment to scan the title and the description so you know what's included and how it's structured. When you're ready, choose Create from Template, and Smartsheet will generate your working sheet. Inside the sheet, you'll see a clean grid built around the core fields you'll use during and after meetings. In the Date column, enter the meeting date or the target date for the agenda item you're tracking. In Topic, add a short specific subject so it's easy to scan later. The Time column helps you set and stick to allocations. Note the expected duration or the start time for that topic. Use Owner to identify who is responsible for that item moving forward. In Description, capture notes, key context, and any links or decisions made so the row tells the full story at a glance. As you populate rows, aim for one topic per row to keep conversations focused. Use clear, action-oriented language, especially for follow-ups, and keep one accountable owner per item, even if others are contributors. Be realistic with time estimates so the agenda actually fits, and carry over unfinished topics to the next date rather than overloading a single session. This template is also structured to help you manage risks, actions, and decisions in one place, often called a RAID approach. Use the risks area to record potential blockers before they become issues. Note what could happen and why it matters so the team can watch it. In the actions area, list the concrete follow-ups that come out of discussion. Tie each action back to its topic and make sure an owner is set so accountability is clear. In the decisions area, write down the final calls the team makes, along with brief rationale, so you can reference them later without digging through emails. As you work, keep entries concise and consistent, update items live during the meeting, and review the sheet after to confirm owners and dates look right. With this one template, your agenda, notes, and RAID tracking stay connected, making it far easier to run effective meetings and keep momentum between them.